Tell you what, that thing's got me huffing and puffing. You know, you see people going down and spending $20 and $40 and $60 a month in these workout centers. Tell you what, you get a sawmill, you could save that $60. That's 3 blades. You're gonna get your darn workout. This green thing here is I bought that from rguiles. I bought 2 of them actually. This one he fixed up for me. I told him I was gonna make a video for him. It gives you a lot more height. He got me those extra things. Now that weld there and all that, that's my doings. His stuff looks like a true professional. His is the green. I mean, it's cut, it's welded, it's a perfect deal. I've hauled out a lot of big logs and I've yet to bend one. And there is some force between the pins on a real big log. When you pick up, it's going to try to squeeze them in, and I've yet to bend his. I have the standard size that he sells, and I was so pleased with it, I ordered another one and asked him to get me those little extensions, which he did. He got me the little extensions, and I told him I could weld, which I might have been talking a little more than I could fulfill there, but I mean, I have a welder, I guess is what I should have said. And I welded it. I mean, it stands right there. Every now and then I'll have to tighten up the bolts, but that's because I put so much load on it that it's really, I mean, and when I'm going through these woods, it's rocking and rolling. It's but I'll see if it'll grip. I'm thinking that's the largest grab I have. I might have one a little larger, but it's so large that actually it won't fit on this tractor. I have to have the 60 horse tractor for it to fit on. But you need it large enough that you can move it. See how I'm kind of jammed in here on it? You need it large enough that you can move it out, and then you can back up to it square if need be, and then your 3-point hitch isn't hitting. 3-point hitch is limiting my downfall there. So let me crank her up here and we'll see what happens. This size here I can pull out. I'll do the math on it and see how much it weighs, but it's white oak, and I think I cut it 9 foot. And what was it, 28 inches on this small end? So I mean, it's going to weigh a little bit. I'll probably end up on only 2 tires for a ways out of here, and I probably can't go up that hill. I'm probably gonna have to go around the long way.